Hey guys, what's up? Unboxing gadget time. Happy New Year. So I fell for the influencers that said I should get I used to have a DSLR camera and I would shoot everything with Blackmagic, and I had this A10 Mini Extreme, which is awesome, and I still love all this stuff. I do it for podcasts, but I'm just doing my everyday videos. It's just too cluttered on my desk, and I wanted to streamline things and be a bit neater, New Year's resolution and all that. The Insta360 Link AI powered 4K webcam. This is exciting. Oh my god, it is tiny. This is going to be great. Video tutorials. Who needs video tutorials? What could possibly go wrong? It's like me flying a drone when I first got it. What could possibly go wrong? I don't know. Look, it doesn't hit anything when you fly it. Oopsie, I smashed it into the side of the house and nearly broke it. Alright, there's not much to it. That's it. This and this. Caution, the camera may get hot after extended use. Hey guys, I can't do too many web calls today because my camera is going to get too warm. So yeah, we're going to have to just cancel rest of today's meeting so that my camera and I can go for a swim. But I guess it's going to figure out which way is up. Oh, it's tiny. That's great. All right, now I'm just going to hang back on the studio display, which is cool. I'll show you. Whoa, spinning out of control. So I just plugged it in one of those ports. There it is up there. Tiny. Oh, auto closes. See that? That's pretty cool. All right, let's give this thing a little bit of a spin. We'll see how we go. Here we go, rock and roll. I guess probably comes with software. So that's the first thing to do is, do I download the software? Quick start guide. It's exciting. It's expensive. It's $500 Australian. So probably, I don't know, $100 US. No, I'm only kidding. $350 US. So it's not cheap, but like if you want nice, should I be reading all the terms and conditions? I probably should be reading the terms and conditions, shouldn't I? But it's probably things like, we will film all of your house. We will be training our AI to facial recognize you. And because we're using a drone camera, that drone camera will chase you. And you know what? Honestly, I am fine with it. Because what choice do I have? It's not like I can say no. Okay, click to turn on and off auto tracking. The camera will click to turn on off whiteboard mode. I'm not doing whiteboard for a while, so I'll skip that. That's fine. Overhead mode, that is really cool. Click to turn on off desk view mode. Oh, that's interesting. So it does overhead and desk view. Oh, geez, that is really... Zoom. Whiteboard. Okay. That picture quality is awesome. So and that's in 10, that's not even 4K. So let's do 4K. Oh, I just look old. I don't know. Do I try and do Zoom at the same time? Will that even work? Whoa. So there's the difference. Oh my God, it is significantly different. Okay, I'm going to go into preferences, make sure Zoom is not doing, I probably had let's not touch up appearance. Let's not be vain. Original ratio, yep, sure, I'll leave that off. I'm not adjusting. So everything is Oh, I put my hand up and it's doing things. Okay, so can you see the difference? It's ridiculous. The camera difference is phenomenal. Like, yes, I can see way more of my wrinkles, which is not good. And how bad is my hair? Which means I'm just gonna have to, put makeup on every time I come on a camera, which is complete nonsense. A little bit higher on the angle, as you can see. But it's, and if I move, oh, that's interesting. So the Apple one auto follows. Can we get this one to follow? Yeah, we go. All right, so let's go back to here, and we go over here. Now you see how messy my room is, and you go this way, and I go that way, and I go up. Oh my God. I am sold. Ridiculous. Best webcam ever. I don't know why Apple Studio, why they shipped it with those on there, because it's not good. And then, let's have a look. I was writing some notes before, so let me tell you about my notes. Oh, that's pretty good, isn't it? So my nails aren't great, but you can sort of say, like, if I was to be here and I was looking at a quote and I was like, oh, you are what you do. It's really interesting. And I can go, yeah, I'd write, and it auto focuses like crazy. Let's go back. Actually, let's test the autofocus. You go and you put things in front of people and you go like, whoa, check this out. So the Apple Studio did it. They're doing it pretty good, aren't they? Actually, I think doesn't know what to focus on. I'm over here. Okay. Is it going to do that? No, it gets confused. Where are you? I'm over here, man. I really like it. It's really, really good. I highly recommend this camera. Unbelievable. Actually, unbelievable. Like, the tech today, I'm not doing all the follows, actually, so zoom. What are you going to zoom on, though? I think that's what the zoom was, wasn't it? It's doing something. I don't know what it's doing. Actually, this will be interesting. Forgive me, I'm wearing my shorts still. But... Hi. Yeah, like, the Apple Studio does a pretty good job at following me. So, I've been thinking a lot about how presentations and the fact that, there is this and there's that, and how you do anything's how you do everything, and like, why can't we just have better webcams? I mean, the Apple Studio does a pretty good job. They don't market it. They don't market it at all. It's just pixelated. If Apple their software is obviously pretty good. They just need to fix their, Oh. Now that's pretty good. So I could be doing my presentation and I'm all the way back here. I'm now all the way at the back of the room. And I want it to focus in on me. Come on. That's about as far as the zoom goes. But look at the difference between the Apple Studio. Ignore my legs. You can't see my legs, which is good in the new one. But you can in the 360. So there you go. I don't know, that was an impromptu. I was just going to see how it goes. It's tracking me. I'm sitting down. It's lost me. I'll go over. I'll find it. I am in love with this camera. It's great. Hope you liked the video.